Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews and insights into the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best trimmer edger available. The Worx String Trimmer Cordless Edger 40 volts Power Share Weed Trimmer. Let's kick things off by highlighting the standout features of this powerful tool. Powered by two 20 volts max lithium batteries that combine for a robust 40 volts, this trimmer offers exceptional performance and runtime. Whether you're tackling thick grass or precise edging, the Worx WG184 is designed to handle it all. One of the key features that sets the Worx WG184 apart is its 2-in-1 functionality. With a quick adjustment, it transforms from a string trimmer into an inline wheeled edger, allowing you to seamlessly transition between trimming and edging tasks without swapping tools. Now, let's talk about convenience. The Worx WG184 features an innovative command feed spool system. This means you can feed new line with just the touch of a button, ensuring uninterrupted trimming sessions and saving you valuable time. Adjusting to the conditions of your yard is effortless with the variable speed throttle. Increase the speed to power through tougher patches of grass. Then dial it back down to conserve battery and extend runtime flexibility at your fingertips. Designed for professional-grade performance, the Worx WG184 comes equipped with a high-quality trimmer line that delivers sharp, clean cuts essential for achieving a perfectly manicured lawn. The D-grip handle offers comfort and control from any angle, making prolonged use comfortable and efficient. Maneuvering around obstacles and edging on uneven terrain is made easier with the Worx WG184's pivoting head. This feature ensures you can maintain clean lines and edges with precision, no matter the landscape. Wrapping up our review of the Worx String Trimmer Cordless Edger 40 volts Power Share Weed Trimmer. It's clear that this tool is a top contender in its category. Whether you're a homeowner looking to maintain a pristine lawn or a landscaping professional in need of reliable equipment, the Worx WG184 delivers on both performance and versatility. If you're interested in upgrading your lawn care arsenal, check out the link in the description below to find out more about the Worx WG184. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations from Product Critique.